In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp into your Shopify store. This can be a great move for your business because WhatsApp offers a direct line to your customers, allowing for more personal and immediate communication. Plus, integrating it with Shopify is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can get it up and running in no time. Let's start by heading over to the left-hand panel within your Shopify admin interface. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Apps. This section is your gateway to enhancing your Shopify store with various functionalities. And today, we'll search for the WhatsApp application. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be directed to the Shopify App Store. This store is filled with countless apps designed to extend the versatility of your Shopify store. In the search bar, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top of the page, type in WhatsApp. After entering your query, you'll instantly see a list of results generated by your search. Now, scroll through the results until you find the WhatsApp application. It should be unmistakable, but make sure to select the correct application by confirming it matches WhatsApp's official recognitions and icons. When you found it, go ahead and click on the app. You'll be brought to the app's dedicated page. This page provides all the necessary information about what the WhatsApp app can do for your Shopify store, such as features, reviews, and pricing options. Here, you'll also find the installation button. Simply click Install. This will initiate the process of adding WhatsApp to your Shopify suite. After a brief moment, the app will be installed, and you'll see a prompt or guide on the screen asking you to connect your WhatsApp account. For this integration, you'll need to connect the WhatsApp account that you use for business purposes. This allows you to seamlessly manage orders, queries, and customer interactions right from your WhatsApp, keeping everything unified and easily accessible. The connection process would typically require you to log in or scan a QR code from your WhatsApp mobile application, though the screen will provide exact instructions based on your account configuration. Once you've connected your WhatsApp account successfully, that's actually all there is to it. Your WhatsApp account is now integrated with your Shopify store, and you're ready to engage customers in a more interactive way. Remember, this integration allows you to leverage WhatsApp's extensive messaging platform to build stronger relationships with your customers, providing them with another layer of support and communication. Enjoy exploring this new addition to your Shopify toolbox, and happy selling!